darlings, for today's video I'm creating a Valentine's Day makeup look. First I'm starting off by filling in my brows with the NYX Micro Brow Pencil in the shade Ash Brown. Next I'm cleaning up the bottom edge of the brow with the PUTTY base in shade 0.5. I use this to define the shape of the brow because I'll be applying this all over my lids to prime them for eyeshadow, and it's extremely full coverage so it easily covers any straggling hairs. Today we're doing our face makeup before our eyes. First I'm priming with the NYX Hydra Touch Oil Primer, then I'm minimizing the appearance of my pores with the IELF Poreless Putty Primer. After that, I'm applying the IELF Putty Blush in the shade Caribbean, which is a red cream blush, to my cheeks using a damp ARACELI sponge. Now for foundation, I'm applying the Catrice HD Liquid Coverage Foundation in the shade Porcelain Beige. This is very full coverage and slightly too dark for my skin tone, so I'm making sure to also apply and blend it down my neck. For concealer, I'm using the Catrice Liquid Camouflage Concealer in the shade Fair Ivory. I'm applying this underneath my eyes and to the center of the face to highlight. After blending that with a damp beauty blender, I'm setting underneath my eyes with the Sephora Collection Microsmooth Face Powder in a different damp sponge. Next, I'm applying even more blush. The IELF blush definitely still shows through the foundation, but I want my cheeks to be even more vibrant and red, so I'm taking the Beauty Bakerie Queen of Tarts palette and applying the red blush from that to the highest points of my cheeks. To contour, I'm using the Beauty Bakerie Lemon Bar Face Palette. First, I'm taking the lightest contour shade on the Firma 103 brush and applying this to the hollows of my cheeks, around the edge of my forehead, jawline, and along the sides of the bridge of my nose. Then I'm picking up the dark contour shade and adding some extra definition to the same areas using the slightly more dense Morphe GH05 brush. I do want this look to be more matte, but I can't live without a little bit of highlighter, so I'm applying a tiny bit of the highlighter shade from that same Lemon Bar palette by Beauty Bakerie. Now I'm setting everything in place so that the makeup melts into the skin and lasts all day with the NYX Matte Setting Spray. I'm also setting my brows in place with the NYX Brow Glue, and then I'm moving on to the eyes. I'm priming the eyes with the Plouise base that we used under the brows earlier, and then I'm starting to apply eyeshadow using the NYX Utopia Ultimate Eyeshadow Palette. I'm creating a full cut crease look, so I'm starting off by sweeping a light warm brown shade into the crease and flicking the shadow out towards the tail of the brow. After I've blended that using the same brush that I used to apply it, I'm adding depth to the crease by applying a more neutral dark brown shade. I'm using the Morphe M562 brush to blend this, keeping it at the lower edge of the crease beneath the lighter brown shade that we blended earlier. Once I've achieved a nice depth of color, I'm cutting the crease. Even with hooded eyes, it's easy to cut out the crease, especially if you've mapped out a shape for yourself to follow during your blending process. Once I've fully cut out the crease, I'm tapping this beige shade onto the lid. This has the slightest bit of shimmer to it and it's so lovely. Now I'm following the cut in the crease with the NYX Epic Wear Liquid Eyeliner in white. After that, I'm drawing on some winged eyeliner. I don't have a red eyeliner, so I'm taking this matte liquid lipstick by Amorus Beauty and applying it using a Plouise Acid Rain brush. As long as it's fast drying and you take extra care not to get it into your eyes, you can use any liquid lipstick for eyeliner. After adding a little wing to the inner corner of the eye and cleaning up the outer wing with some concealer, I'm applying the NYX On The Rise mascara and a pair of Luoci lashes in the style L001. To blend in my falsies with my natural ones, I'm tightlining with the Sephora Collection Contour Eye Pencil in the shade Black Lace. Now I'm applying the red lipstick to my bottom lash line and connecting it with that inner wing. Before it dries, I'm buffing it out with the Morphe JH38 brush, and then I'm adding mascara to my bottom lashes. Finally, I'm applying the same Amorus red liquid lipstick that we used for eyeliner to my lips. And that completes this Valentine's Day look. Let me know your love language in the comments below, and please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time!